guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to beauty and makeup. So if you want to get lots of tips on skincare, hair care, and if you want to watch lots of hauls, then you are at the right place. I post videos every Wednesday and Saturday at 4 p.m. In today's video, I will be doing winter dewy makeup tutorial, and I have seen many questions related to how to do makeup in winter for dry skin. So here I am making a tutorial for you guys. Start the video without wasting any more time. This is a step-by-step makeup tutorial for beginners because on my channel I try to do makeup tutorials for beginners. The most important thing for doing your makeup in winters is to prep your skin, because if you have done your skincare properly, then your makeup will look flawless. And during winters we all know that our skin gets very dry. I will start applying the moisturizers. I'm using Mamaearth Vitamin C Illuminating Moisturizer I'm going for, because it will give me a glow to my skin, which I am going for. Which I have taken, see, and this is such a fabulous moisturizer, guys. I have done a video regarding this on my channel, talking about the Mamaearth's product. So if you guys have not checked out the video, I will add the link and everything in the description box. And this is added in my yearly favorites as well, because I absolutely love this moisturizer. The glow that is giving me. Step is to prime. For my primer, I am using Benefit Pro Professional Primer. Primer is very essential, guys, because it fills your pores, giving a good base for your makeup to stick on, and your makeup will last longer. And if you want your makeup to look flawless, then go for primer. Next step is to apply foundation, and for foundation also I'm going to my absolutely favorite foundation, and this is very illuminating foundation, and it's very dewy. It gives a very fine and shiny glow to your skin. So if you don't have an illuminating foundation, what you can do, you can take your regular foundation and drop little bit of illuminating oil or illuminating cream you have, then it will give you a glow. So if you are going for the dewy makeup look in winters, then this might come handy. Today I am doing little bit of color corrector. I am using this orange kind of lipstick, so it will hide little bit of my dark circles. So this is what I will do. I will take the lipstick and it is beige, and this, only this much I am taking on my damp sponge, because this orange color lipstick, what it will do, it will cancel out the darkness which is there under my eyes, doing a color corrector kind of work. I will take the foundation and bounce the product into my skin using pat motions, and I'm using wet beauty blender, wet sponge for doing that. Little bit more and dragging the foundation onto my neck as well, because I don't want this to look different from this. It will look very weird. After that, I'm going for concealer. I'm using LA Girl concealer. My shade is Pure Beige. Let's blend it and see if it is cancelling out the. See guys, how beautifully it cancelled out my under eyes dark circles. I'm going for this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. It's a little bit lighter shade for me, so using this I will highlight this area. So if you want to highlight these areas, this part of your face, you use a concealer that is a shade lighter than your skin tone, then it will bring out this portion of your face out. So I will apply only little bit, blend this, and will blend this product right here, will not drag it over here, otherwise my whole face will start looking very white. So we only want to highlight this part of our face. I'm doing makeup after such a long time. I shoot I think if you like follow me for some time, you might be knowing that I shoot only on Saturdays. And this Saturday I was not feeling well, so like previous Saturday I was not feeling well, so I didn't shot the video. उससे पहले I shot the video, but I didn't do makeup because my skin was having major issues. So I want to talk little bit about that for 2 minutes with you. I know you came here to see a tutorial on how to do a dewy makeup look for winters, or how to do makeup for dry skin. So but here I'm talking with you about, I like spoke with one brand. They send some product to me. So if I am reviewing any product for you guys, I try it for some time and then I share it with you. So like I tried that brand, but that like moisturizer left such a harsh reaction on my skin, and that I was so scared that I cannot take that major rashes. My skin was peeling off. Like I could just literally peel my skin off, nose, cheeks, this area. So I went back to them and I told them, no, I cannot like talk about your product because it's not suiting my skin type. It's not suiting me, so like I cannot talk about it. And they were very like okay, very cooperative about it. So yes, that was a plus point. So another thing, like it was not a like low brand, I am not taking the name of the brand, but this is what I wanted to talk to you guys about. Like don't go for like cheap kind of makeup or skincare products. Like if you are limited on the budget, like save some money and then invest in good instead of going for like cheap quality or bad quality makeup products or skincare products. Invest once in some good skincare or makeup products, because like there are some absolutely amazing products in drugstore category as well. So yeah, this is what I wanted to talk to you guys about, like small thing. I know you guys came here to see a tutorial, and here is this girl talking to you about her skin and all. So I will get back to the like tutorial. Next step is to do my eyebrows. Like guys, do your eyebrows. Even if you are not doing a proper defined eyebrows, just fill your eyebrows and it gives more shape to your face. Like your makeup will look more defined and you will look more presentable. I'll quickly do my eyebrows and get back to you guys because it will take me some time and I don't want this video to be that long. My next step, I'm using Rimmel's palette to contour my face. My eyeshadow, I'm not doing anything. I'm just using this bronzer shade on my eyelid to give it a little bit of warmth, and I'm using Rimmel's London palette. I absolutely love this palette. So affordable, so amazing. The tip, if you are doing a dewy makeup look, then add little bit of glitter or something, not too much, or like just a subtle hint of little bit of glitter on your eyes, and it will look like you are shining and it looks very pretty. So for that, what I'm doing, I'm taking my this lipstick. This is like pink in shade, and this is such a absolute gorgeous shade. So what I will do, I will take it on my hand, take my finger and apply it on my eyelid. If you are going for a dewy look, go for that and like leave it as it is. Don't set it with any powder product because it will give a little bit of shine and glossy look to your whole makeup. So this will look absolutely stunning. I'm going with my eyeliner. For my eyeliner, I'm using Faces Canada, and then I will create a very small line. Like that again depends on you guys, like how you want your eyeliner to be thick or like little fine line. For my waterline, I am using Maybelline Kajal, one and only. So I will apply little bit of Kajal was already there because like as you all know, I cannot survive without Kajal. I want to keep it very simple, so I'm curling my eyes. I'm not using any falsies or anything. I'll go with my mascara. For my mascara, I'm using Maybelline Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. This is such a fabulous mascara, guys. And look at the wand. It's a little bit curvy, so it gives very nice lift. The difference? You are not comfortable in wearing falsies like me, invest in good mascaras, because if you cannot be a falsie girl, then you can be a mascara girl. Like, it gives instant boost to my eyelashes. Like, I love it. Like, now coming onto my face, I'm using this brush and again Rimmel's palette. So I will take the bronzer and will bronze my face. Same brush, same palette, I'm taking the blush because it's a dewy makeup look for winters and we want dewy, rosy, flushed cheeks kind of look. So yeah, blush is very important. Go crazy with your blush, apply it all over your face. Look like a potato. Tomato, sorry. Look like a potato, guys. Highlighter, I am using this LA Girl Velvet Highlight Contour Stick, but it's like a luminous contour stick, so I use it as a highlighter. So this is magic of this highlighter, guys. Like, see, nose tip is shining. Step is lipstick, my favorite step. So I'm going with nude lip. Although I have little bit of lipstick on my lips already, so I will wipe it off of the lipstick. So I'm going with Nude Fix LA. This we are done with our makeup look. See how glossy, dewy and shiny it is looking. This is what we were going for, and I love how this makeup look turned out. And let me know what do you think about this look, and if you want me to make any more makeup tutorials or any video you want, then I can do one for you. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like the video. Subscribe to my channel. There is a bell icon right next to it. Click on it so that you don't miss any notification. Like, comment, subscribe and share. It will help me a lot. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye. Take care.